So once again, we are also very grateful to Capwell Industries to consider helping the Kirinyaga County with 550 bales of soko unga, and we are really grateful because this will go towards promoting the effort of the county. We have been going around giving relief food to the most vulnerable communities, and this is a boost to that program. So we have a list of already identified people whom we have been visiting in every ward. We have gone to several wards in county, but we have not gone to each and every ward. So this food will be distributed to those needy families within the wards that we have not gone to. And we say that it is we really appreciate for the management of the Capwell Industries even to consider us as they move towards other counties, and we thank you and we wish them very well. Thank you so much.
Today we are delighted to be in Kirinyaga County for the purpose of donating food stuff because of what has befell us in terms of the effect of the COVID-19, which has really affected people across the globe. We donated 20 million to the National COVID Response Team, and we as the company, because we are one of the beneficiaries of the raw materials that are produced within Kirinyaga County, we saw it fit to have part of that come to Kirinyaga County. And today we are delighted to hand over 550 bales to the county government of Kirinyaga for the sake of distributing to the vulnerable people. This is equivalent to 750,000, and we are doing that across other counties in Kenya. We have already been able to distribute to 3 more counties, and we are going to continue until we reach at least not less than 10 counties within the country. And we are pleased the way the county is organized also in terms of how they are distributing their relief, and we hope that they shall be able also to reach out to those people who are really in need at this particular time.